How to add gift card to Walmart's app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can add a gift card to your Walmart application. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say you've purchased something on Walmart and you want to add a gift card to it from the app. It's very simple. First of all, just launch the Walmart app on your device and then just make sure to sign into your account. So I'm just going to go ahead and then make sure to enter my email address as well as my password over here. Once I've signed in, it's going to ask me to simply enter a zip code. So I'm just going to go ahead and then basically enter my zip code here and then just tap the search button. Then once we've done that, you can see we've loaded up. Now what we want to do is we simply want to add the products that we want to buy to our cart. So basically I'm just going to select one or two of these here. Once I select either of these, all I need to do is just click the cart icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once I click the cart icon, I just need to go to the checkout page by tapping on continue to checkout. Now when I go to continue to checkout, first of all it's going to ask me to simply enter my delivery address. So let me go ahead and simply enter my delivery address here, my first name as well as my last name here as well. Then I need to make sure to enter my street address. Once I enter my street address here, let me go ahead and do that. I need to simply make sure to enter the city as well. So let me also go ahead and then enter my city. Then I need to make sure to enter the state as well as the zip code. Once I've done all of those steps, all I need to do is the last step will require me to enter my phone number. So let me go ahead and then enter my phone number as well. And then once I've basically added my address, I just need to tap on the save button like this. Now once I've added my address, the next step will ask me to simply enter my payment method. And it is actually under the payment method where I have to simply use my gift card. So basically here you'll be able to see different sorts of various options. You need to go to the option that says add payment method. So just tap on the add payment method option. And then here you'll find a section where it says gift card. This is where you want to tap on. So just tap on gift card, and now you need to make sure to enter your card number as well as a 4-digit pin and the e-gift card if you have one. Then just tap the save card button. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it is going to be successfully applied to purchase this product over here. And then now you can tap the place order button. This is simply how you can basically add a gift card to Walmart. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.